Hello students, relax, sit back and listen to our math class. In today's class, we are going to learn addition and subtraction of matrix. Addition of matrices. So, first point to be noted while adding two matrices, whether we have to check those two matrices are of same order or not. Here, 4, root 5, 7, minus 1, 0, 0.5. The order of the matrix A is 2 rows and 3 columns. Here, the order of this matrix B is similarly 2 rows and 3 columns. So, the order of the matrix A and B is same. So, we can add these two matrices A plus B equal to, we have to add this first element with this first element, second element with this second element, third element with this third element. In a similar way, we have to add all other elements too. So, 4 plus root 3, root 5 plus root 5, 7 plus 7.3, minus 1 plus 1, 0 plus 1 by 3, 0.5 plus 1 by 4. So, the answer will be 4 plus root 3, root 5 plus root 5, 2 root 5, 7 plus 7.3, 7.0 plus 7.3, 14.3, minus 1 plus 1, 0, 0 plus 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 0.5 plus 1 by 4, that is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4, what you will get? 6 by 8, 6 by 8 means 3 by 4. Okay, this is what our final answer is. Here, 3 matrices are given. First step, we have to check the order. So, this is a 2 by 2 matrix. This 2 by 2 matrix. This 2 by 2 matrix. So, we can add these 3 one, A plus B plus C. First element with this first element, and the first we have to add these 3 first elements. Next, these 3 second element, like that. So, sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 0, 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 0 plus, here minus 1. So, here you will get minus 1 because plus into minus minus. Next, cot square theta. Cot square theta, here minus cosecant theta. So, while adding plus into minus, minus. So, minus cosecant square theta minus 1, 0 plus 1 plus 0. So, by trigonometric identity, we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta will be 1. 1 plus 0. Next, 1 minus 1, 0. Cot square theta minus cosecant square theta. We know that 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosecant square theta. Here given question is cot square theta minus cosecant square theta. So, cot square theta minus cosecant square theta will be minus 1. So, here will be minus 1 plus minus 1. Again there is a minus 1. So, minus 1 minus 1, what you will get? Minus 2. Here 0 plus 1 plus 0, 1. Here 1 plus 0, what you will get? 1. So, final answer is 1, 0, minus 2, 1. Now, subtraction of matrix. The first step is we have to check the order of the matrix. Here, the order is 2 row and 3 columns. So, 2 by 3. Here, the order is 2 row and 3 columns. So, 2 by 3. For A and B, there is same order only. So, we can subtract A minus B. While doing subtraction, we have to subtract the first element with the first element. So, 4 minus root 3. Next, root 5 minus root 5. Next, 7 minus 7.3. Next, minus 1, 0 minus 1 by 3 and 0.5 minus 1 by 4. 4 minus root 3 is 4 minus root 3 only. Root 5 minus root 5, 0. 7 minus 7.3 what you will get, sorry, 7 minus 7.3 minus 0.3 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2, this is minus 1 by 3, and here 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4, 4 minus 2 by 8, so 2 by 8, 2 by 8 means 1 by 4, 1 by 4. The overall concept is, if you are doing addition or subtraction of matrix, first step is you have to check the order or size of the matrix. If the order are same, then you can do the respective operation, whether it is an addition or subtraction. If the order is not same, then you can't do it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos related to both school and college maths. Thank you.